Hey guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So as you guys can see by the title of this tutorial, I am going to be teaching you guys how to do a glitter cut crease on hooded eyes. I absolutely love it. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below and give it a like. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's just keep on watching. We are going to be learning how to do a glitter cut crease. I know a lot of people find it super hard to do a cut crease, and it is hard. So the main things you need is brush kit. So it's a cut crease kit, okay? So it has like different types of brushes. Mine are dirty because I use them and I love them. Basically, I like this one. This is my favorite one. So mine's dirty, but if you can see right here how flat it is, that's gonna be your best bet. Anything super flat, that's just what's gonna work. So, and a primer or concealer. I like using this primer to cut my crease, and it's the P. Louise times the Mama Mitchell Acid Rain. And honestly, my favorite, you guys, I can't find a better one. The consistency is perfect to cut the crease. And honestly, a little goes a long way for that. So, P. Louise has a bunch, and I actually ordered a couple soon. So hopefully they come in soon, a colored one. But they're always sold out because I need some colored ones. So what we're gonna do is use my favorite palette again. We're gonna use the Be Perfect Carnival Love Tahiti times Stacey Marie. This is just a palette that I always gravitate to. It is just amazing, and it has pretty much all the colors you need. It has a bunch of colors, and I don't know, I just love it for a colorful look. But also, I'm showing you guys with this palette, you can get a simple warm tone look. So I'm going to be using this shade, and this shade. We're going to start off with priming the eyes, and honestly, I use the same one. I got the other one, the P. Louise, the Rumor. Alright, so the first color you're going to want to put down is the color Cocoa, and it's the shade right here. I am just applying that shade all over the lid in a circular motion, or not circular motion, in a circle. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah, you're going to want to do like a half, like a rainbow, kind of like that. Yep. So then you're going to get a brush. I recommend this brush because it's just small, and it's going to get the job done, and it's going to blend out your shade. Your color is good. It's the Morphe 507 brush, the only brush that I use. Honestly, this brush is changing the game, and I like going darkest to lightest just because it's just way easier to blend and doesn't get like all muddy. You could place the colors good, and you could blend out every shade good. I don't know. I just feel like this technique is just better. I don't know. Blending it up a little higher just because we are going to cut the crease, because my crease is right here. So this is my lid starting, and I'm going to go over it. So I need some shade to be there. So I'm going to take the color Ginger, and I'm not doing any pressure. I am just kind of like blending it out, but softly. Because you don't want to put too much pressure on it, then it just becomes crazy. So it kind of matches the shade that we previously used just a little bit. It's a little lighter, but it's still in the same family. You know what I mean? Alright, so now we have that. And I'm going to take the color Sand. This is shade right here. Sand. I'm just going to apply it like above that shade. Just so we can have some transition, you know? You need to clean your brushes in between your eyeshadows, because that's gonna make it look muddy if you don't. So this is the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner, and it is the best. Like, I won't use anything else. It cleans your brushes so good, disinfects it, 99.99% bacteria free, quick drying, and it's rinse free. So yeah, like, I've been using that for so long. I forgot how I found that, but where I get mine is from the Makeup Shack. I have a makeup shack here in Las Vegas, so that's the only thing that I usually get there, or my Frankie Rose stuff, like my foundation. You see the transition color? It's just so pretty. I love it. So because everything kind of went away, we're going to go back in with that cocoa color and apply that color right here. Because we're kind of missing it, you know? Just a little. So there's like no harsh lines. So then we're going to go back with that color ginger, just a tad bit, and just kind of like dust that off. And go as close as you can to that color cocoa, and then just blend it out. Okay, so taking a little bit and applying it on my hand, so a little bit of that blank canvas, and I'm going to make my brush as flat as possible. So I'm taking a napkin and I even make it flatter, you know what I mean? So you're gonna apply your base and you're gonna look up, and it should mark the area. See how I marked it right here on the top? So that's what we want. So I'm going in. So for beginners, you're gonna want to stamp. Even me, I like to stamp it. Sometimes I could go like crazy, you know, just go like that. Like that's crazy, but rather look straight. Now that we have where I know where it's gonna go, I look straight and I just stamp. As you're stamping, you're gonna want to start going in a circle, like, you know, in a half circle. You see that? And you're gonna take this small detail brush. It's a 515 brush, and I am going to take the shade Cocoa just a little bit, and I am just going to fix that line a little bit right there. And like if it's nothing ever happened, you know? This is why I love this little brush. It's just so perfect. All right, so time for glitter. And usually I used to put my eyeliner before glitter, only because I used to put glitter all, like the whole lid, even where the eyeliner is supposed to go. When I started putting my eyeliner on, it just was bumpy and it was just crazy. And now I learned that just like half, don't put it all the way down, just like kind of like, I'll show you. So I'm going to be taking my glitter adhesive from Anastasia and my glitter from Shopper Beauty, which you guys already know Shopper Beauty is the bomb. This glitter is just amazing. I'm using 2 of them. I'm going to use Tinsel and Glittergasm, and they're both beautiful. Looks like this. It's just pretty. We're going to go in with the glitter adhesive, and I love this glitter adhesive too. It's just simple, but be careful, don't put too much because a little goes a long way, because if it starts dripping on your eye, it's gonna be all bad. Because last time I got it on my eye, like in my eyeball, and that shit burned so bad. So another thing is a silicone brush. I get this from Makeup Shack and it is bomb. I'm gonna be taking the glitter in Tinsel. And it just makes your life easy because it actually picks up the glitter really nicely, and the glitter is not going to go everywhere. It's going to go in the spot you want it to go. And I just can't live without this brush. It's just really bomb. And yeah. Alright, taking a little bit of the Glittergasm, and that one has like reflexes of like I don't know, green. Like it has all the rainbow kind of, and it's just so pretty. Okay, so you see how I didn't put it right here in the bottom because that's where my eyeliner is going to go. I honestly really love a gel liner. Liquid liner, yes, they're bomb, but gel liner and a really good brush. So this is a Morphe M2501 brush. This one's amazing, you guys. This other one is really good. It's very small, and this is the M2500 brush. Taking my Inglot gel liner, it looks like this. Honestly, the best. The only thing that it dries quickly, so this is why I use it in sections. Like I don't mess it up, because before I used to like mess up the whole liner, and then it would just get dry and I'd hate it. There's this thing called Duraline. It's like this little liquid thing, and it kind of revives your dip brow, your gel liners, and it's just really, really good. This brush makes it so easy to apply liner, and just this, the liner is very creamy. My girl Leslie, she collabed with her cousin, and this is the company Heather Cosmetics, and she came out with some of her lashes, like 2 pairs of her lashes, and you guys, like, these are it. I'm always obsessed with everything, but I am obsessed. These are my type of lashes. They're just so gorgeous, and these are in the style Primadonna. So if you guys know who she is, you guys already know Primadonna. That's what she calls her supporters, how to make a lash for us. So it's so cute. She came out with another pair that's called Autumn, which is her beautiful, beautiful daughter. This is the back of it. It's like lips, and then it's her cousin's company in the back. This is the style Primadonna. Very pretty. I love the holographic. So cute. This is what the lash looks like. Do you guys see how beautiful? And these are Fox Mink, so we are vegan, cruelty free. Alright, so starting off with my Frankie Rose. You guys already know the drill. My favorite foundation ever, you guys. So if you guys hear in the background some kids screaming, my family is all over. So I came into my makeup room and I was like, okay, let me just try to finish editing today's video, you know. So yeah, so bear with me. So taking my concealer, this is my favorite concealer. Like, if I want to be snatched, like, I did everything that I do when I want my makeup to last a long time, you know. So the Too Faced concealer for cream bronzer, and I love to cream contour because, I don't know, I just feel like it gives it a base for the powder, you know. And it's easily, like, this one right here, you can blend it so fast. Like, it's, I don't know, it's just so good because it's a concealer, you know. So yeah, I love it. I love the color. I'm snatching my double chin, you know, trying to get rid of that right there. Quarantine, you know, girl, you know what that did to me. I'm just kidding. So I'm just going to use the Real Techniques brush. I love this brush to blend out the cream bronzer. It's just really good. Like, the bristles on the brush is just so smooth, so soft. Like, it doesn't interrupt my makeup. Like, it doesn't mess anything up. It's just blending out the contour, and I don't know, I love it. So my favorite powder at the moment is the One Size, I think this is translucent blurring powder. I think it is, but it's super, super good. It doesn't leave a white cast. It's going to set your makeup, and I'm oily, and it doesn't really budge. Like, I don't know, I just love it. I absolutely love it. And I look like a ghost, I know. So I usually, after this, I usually like spray my face with any setting spray. But right now I'm going to set my face with the ABH setting spray. This is a dewy set, and I love it. I think I already went through so many bottles. So I'm right here, I'm applying Give Me Sun by MAC. And this is my, just like, it's like a light flush of bronze, you know. And then I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill bronze and blushing duo, and this one is Stay Rosy and Yummy Toffee. And I'm going to use the blush as well. So applying Yummy Toffee, and then I'm cutting the contour with the same powder that I use. And usually I like to do like a banana color, but it was whatever was in front of me, so I was like, okay, let me just do that. So yeah, I don't know, I'm really loving how it looks. And then the blush, I didn't think that the blush was that pigmented, but girl, she's pigmented. Do you see that? Yes. And I love, 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 love the shade. Like, it is perfect. Like, it just blended out really nicely with the bronzer. And yeah, obviously put it on my nose because I don't know what it does, but it does something. So taking the, is this a beaming highlight? I think highlighter, I forget, but this is in Mesmerized, and honestly I absolutely love this highlighter. So nice. I feel like it doesn't like get like chalky looking. I don't know, it just looks really smooth and like blinding. So taking my Big Papa mascara, this is pretty bomb. I love it. The eyeliner that I use is from ColourPop, and it's like in the little ColourPop set. It came with it. I forgot the name, but I'll have it down below. So my professional to set everything, to lock everything in place. I absolutely love everything. Everything looks so nice, like, I think, in my opinion. But if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial.